Using the snipping tool. The snipping tool is typically pinned to the taskbar. Simply open and use it. If it's not pinned, open the Start menu and search for Snipping Tool. Click on the app to launch it and consider pinning it for easy access. By default, the camera symbol for screenshots is selected. You can switch to the video symbol if you wish to record your screen. This feature also allows you to set a delay timer for taking the screenshot. Choose from different modes: rectangle, window, full screen, or freeform. To capture a screenshot, click New. If you select rectangle, you can drag your mouse to identify a specific area on your screen to save the image. When you choose the window mode, it captures a screenshot of only the selected window on your screen. Simply click on the desired window to take its screenshot. For instance, this could be a browser window, a file explorer window, or any other application window, such as the one from my video editing software. The full screen mode and snipping tool captures everything visible on your screen, which you can crop later. The freeform mode enables you to screenshot a designated area of your choice. Be sure to check out our other tutorials on Windows 11. Please like the video and subscribe to the Dozro channel.